Imagine soaring high above the world, gliding smoothly through the air, capturing breathtaking landscapes with perfect clarity. Whether for filmmaking, surveying, or just for fun, the footage is steady, seamless, almost as if the camera is floating on its own. But in reality, the drone carrying the camera is constantly moving, tilting, adjusting to the wind, and fighting against every little disturbance. How does the camera manage to stay so steady? What secret technology allows drones to capture such stunning, shake-free videos? The answer lies in the intricate system of stabilization that drone cameras rely on. At the heart of this system is something called a gimbal, which works like a Steadicam used in movies to keep the shot stable no matter how much the drone moves. A gimbal is a special type of mount that holds the camera and allows it to remain level, even as the drone itself moves unpredictably. It works by using motors and sensors to counteract any unwanted motion. When the drone tilts to the left or right, the gimbal quickly adjusts the camera in the opposite direction. If the drone shakes because of wind or turbulence, the gimbal absorbs that motion, ensuring the video remains smooth. Inside the gimbal, there are tiny but powerful devices called gyroscopes and accelerometers. The gyroscope detects rotational movement, like when the drone turns or tilts. The accelerometer measures linear movement, such as when the drone moves forward or backward. Together, these sensors constantly track how the drone is moving through the air. The moment any unwanted motion is detected, the gimbal's motors react instantly, keeping the camera steady. This process happens so quickly that we don't even notice it. It's like an invisible hand holding the camera perfectly still. While the gimbal plays a key role in stabilization, the process doesn't stop there. Advanced drones also use electronic image stabilization, or EIS, to further smooth out the footage. This is a digital process that happens inside the camera itself. EIS works by slightly cropping the edges of the video and adjusting the frames to reduce sudden movements. This helps eliminate tiny jitters and makes the footage appear even more professional. Some high-end drones even combine gimbal stabilization with EIS to achieve Hollywood-level smoothness. Another crucial factor in keeping drone footage steady is the way the drone itself is built. High-quality drones, such as the DJI Mavic series, use advanced flight controllers and sensors to maintain balance in the air, making constant micro-adjustments to counteract shifts in movement. They use GPS, barometers, and additional sensors to make tiny adjustments to the drone's position. This keeps the entire system stable, reducing the need for the gimbal to work too hard. All of these technologies working together allow drone cameras to capture breathtaking images and videos that seem impossibly smooth. Without stabilization, every gust of wind, every slight movement of the drone would turn the footage into a shaky, unusable mess. But thanks to gimbals, sensors, and smart stabilization software, we get to experience the world from above as if we're flying effortlessly through the sky. So the next time you see a stunning aerial shot, remember that behind that smooth and steady footage is a complex system working in perfect harmony to keep the camera still, no matter how much the drone moves.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.